Hi and welcome to today's video in the Study Unifees Daily With series. In today's video, we'll be talking about the digital SAT. We'll be talking about the format of the digital SAT, also things that have changed and things that are still the same. As you know, the SATs went digital this year. The digital SAT is a digital multi-stage computer adaptive test. Now let's understand what that means. Both sections in the SATs, reading and writing as well as math, will start with one section that has a mixed set of easy, medium and difficult questions. Depending on your performance in the first section, the second section will have questions that match your performance in the first section. So this is how the adaptiveness of the SAT works. It's a much shorter test now. The entire test can be completed in just 2 hours. Previously, it used to take weeks getting your test scores. Now, it just takes days. The reading passages are also a lot shorter. In the math sections, you can use the calculator throughout the test. Also, there is more average time per question when compared to the paper-based SATs. However, not everything has changed. Some things are exactly the same. The SAT is still scored on the same scale. That means the full score is still 1600. Most universities have the same scholarship benchmarks. That means for a good scholarship, you still have to score 1350, 1400 or more depending on the university. Also, there is no testing at home unlike a whole lot of other tests. You still have to go to a test center to take your SATs. It's still a proctor's test. And finally, the same access to scholarships worldwide exists with the new SAT. Now let's understand the new format of the digital SAT. The first section is reading and writing. Section 1 of reading and writing is a mixed set. That means it has easy, medium and difficult questions. Section 1 will have 27 questions, which you have to complete in 32 minutes. Section 2 is adaptive. That means the questions will be aligned with your performance in Section 1. Section 2 has the same number of questions and the same number of minutes allotted. The math begins with Section 1. Section 1 is a mixed set with easy, medium and difficult questions. In 35 minutes, you will have to answer 22 questions. Section 2 of the math is adaptive. Again, this means the questions in Section 2 will be aligned with your performance in Section 1. The number of questions and the time remains the same. Thus, the new SAT can be completed in less than 2 hours. This is a sea change from the old paper-based SATs. Now, a lot of students in the last couple of years are really worried about test-blind and test-optional schools. Well, test-blind schools are schools that will not consider your SATs. Test-optional schools are schools that make the SAT score submission optional. However, if you submit your score, it will be considered. And most importantly, it will be considered when making the decision of whether to give you a scholarship or not. Study Unifees brings you a range of hundreds of universities that are both test optional as well as score acceptors. Thus, it is still possible to get full ride scholarships and also full tuition waivers. Study Unifees also offers you early decision, early action, single choice early action and also non-binding early action along with regular decision. Choose your consultancy carefully because very few consultancies can offer all these admission windows. Also watch our video, How to Get a 100% Scholarship in the USA. This video outlines the entire process from start to finish of getting full ride, full tuition waivers and also partial tuition waivers. It lists all the criteria, the timeline and also the outcomes of scholarship applications. Thanks for watching this video. for more insightful videos like this. Like, share and subscribe. For more information about the SATs and also your plan to study in the USA with a scholarship, connect with us at studyunifees.io. Till then, all the very best and take care.